everyone, Ms. J here once again with another video for our practice/study session. This one is on conversions, and we are going to go through this to make sure we have all of the correct answers on our work. Now, the conversions themselves should be pulled directly from page S.95, or if you have them by memory, from your noggin. So, what I am going to do is I'm going to go through first for my kind of method of how I would solve this, and I'm going to just write down all of my conversions first so I don't have to think about that later. 32 gallons is equal to how many quarts? Well, I know 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts, so I will be using that conversion for that problem. 4 meters is equal to how many milliliters? I know 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters. How many pounds are in 8 tons? Well, I know 1 ton is 2,000 pounds, so I will be using that conversion there. 4,000 kilograms is how many grams? I know 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. How many inches are in 4 yards? Well, 1 yard is 36 inches, so that's my conversion there. Pints to gallon, 24 pints is how many gallons? I know 1 gallon has 8 pints in it. 300 centimeters is how many meters? Well, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. How many cups are equal to 32 fluid ounces? I know 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces, so that's a starting point. And 4 kiloliters is how many liters? Well, 1 kiloliter is capital. I think L is capital. Kiloliter is equal to 1,000 liters. Okie doke. Those are my conversions. Now I can do the math. 32 gallons is equal to how many quarts? Well, 1 gallon times 32 gives me 32 gallons. And there are 4 quarts in a gallon, so if I have 1 gallon and then I break it into 4 sections, I'm getting bigger. I want a bigger number, so times 4 quarts per gallon is going to give me 128 quarts. So, 32 gallons is 128 quarts, period. 4 meters, so 1 meter is 1,000, so 2 meters is 2,000, so 3 meters is 3,000, so 4 meters would be 4,000 millimeters, and I got that by thinking about it as a ratio this time. Times 4 gives me 4 meters, times 4 gives me 4,000 millimeters. 4 meters is 4,000 millimeters, period. How many pounds are in 8 tons? Again, I'm going to use a ratio for this one. 1 ton is 2,000 pounds times 8. 8 tons is 16,000 pounds. It's important to keep the units on there for your work because when you're doing this, you want to make sure you're not accidentally swapping the two and then multiplying when you should be dividing or vice versa. So 8 tons is 16,000 pounds. 4,000 kilograms is equal to how many grams? Well, 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So 4,000 kilograms. Actually, I'm going to be really glad I did this because right away I'm already thinking it's got to be 4, but it's not 4. This is a huge number. 1 times 4,000 gives you 4,000 kilograms. So 1,000 times 4,000 is going to be 4,000. That's 4,000 with times 1,000, 3 more zeros at the end. 4 million grams. So 4,000 kilograms is 4 million grams, period. How many inches are in 4 yards? 4 yards, oopsie, I did that backwards. Start with the conversion. 1 yard is 36 inches, so I'm going to be multiplying times 4. 4 yards times 36 inches per yard gives me 144. I was writing sentences because I was asked to write sentences. All right, 144 inches is 4 yards. That one's backwards, but whatever. Period. 24 pints is how many gallons? Well, 1 gallon is 8 pints, and then I have 24 pints. Oh, goody. Okay, this time I'm going smaller. I know 8 times 3 gets me 24. 1 times 3 gets me 3 gallons. So 24 pints was the first thing, is 8, nope, not 8, got there, 3 gallons. It's easy to get distracted sometimes, so you got to just keep going back to your work. And if your work is organized, you will find the answer. 300 centimeters is how many meters? Well, 1 meter is 100 centimeters, so 300 centimeters times 3 is 3 meters. 300 centimeters is 3 meters, period. 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces, so 32 fluid ounces, that's a multiple of 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 1 times 4 gets me 4 cups. 32 fluid ounces is 4 cups, period. And last but not least, 4 kiloliters is how many liters? 1 kiloliter is 1,000 liters. So 4 kiloliters times 4 will give me 4,000 liters. Write it as a sentence. 4 kiloliters is 4,000 liters, period. And those are all our conversions. Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to stop the video there. Bye.